When we look at the solar system, the spacing of planets may seem intentional or mathematical. But planet distances follow the rules of gravity and temperature, not simple mathematics. These distances were shaped over billions of years as the solar system formed. Before we begin, let us understand a very important unit called AU. AU stands for Astronomical Unit. 1 AU is the average distance between the Earth and the Sun. 1 AU equals approximately 150 million kilometers. All planet distances are measured using Earth's distance as the reference. That is why we use multiplication factors like 0.39 or 1.52. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It orbits at 0.39 astronomical units. This means Mercury is less than half of Earth's distance from the Sun. At this distance, temperatures are extremely high. Only heavy rocky material could survive during planet formation. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It orbits at 0.72 astronomical units. Venus is closer than Earth, but far enough to maintain a stable orbit. Its position allowed it to grow larger than Mercury. Earth. Earth orbits at exactly 1 astronomical unit. This distance represents a perfect balance between heat and stability. Because of this balance, Earth became our reference point. Mars. Mars orbits at 1.52 astronomical units. This places Mars just beyond Earth. Here, the Sun's warmth is weaker, and planets remain smaller. Beyond Mars lies a region called the snow line. This is where temperatures were low enough for ice to form. Ice provided more material, allowing planets to grow much larger. Space is not just beautiful, it's logical. At GeoNetHub, we explain the why behind the universe. Distances, motion, and science, visually explained. Subscribe to GeoNetHub. Jupiter. Jupiter formed just beyond the snow line. It orbits at 5.2 astronomical units. Its massive size and gravity reshaped the solar system. Saturn. Saturn follows Jupiter at 9.5 astronomical units. It formed under Jupiter's gravitational influence. Uranus. Uranus orbits at 19 astronomical units. It likely formed closer to the Sun and migrated outward. Neptune. Neptune marks the outer boundary of the planets. It orbits at 30 astronomical units. Beyond Neptune, the Sun's influence weakens dramatically. Humans naturally look for patterns, so we notice an approximate sequence. 0.4, 0.7, 1, 1.5, 5, 10, 20, and 30. But this pattern is observational, not intentional. This is natural physics, not math. Scientists once proposed a formula called the Titius Bode Law. It worked for some planets but failed for others. Nature did not fully agree. Planet distances were shaped by gravity, heat, and time. Every planet exists where it could survive. The solar system follows physics, not perfect equations.